Welcome to our discussion on مقابل آئینہ. Today we're diving into a fascinating exploration of NFT schemes and our own psychological distortions.
Yes, right. It's really intriguing how the conversation highlighted that stunning fact of $144 million vanishing in an NFT scheme, isn't it?
Exactly. It's like we all get seduced by a dream, and then suddenly reality hits with financial and psychological consequences.
Yeah, and what's particularly interesting is how the discussion pointed out that this isn't just about lost money, it's about a deep, almost societal self-deception. It's like a collective psychological bubble, right?
Absolutely. The speakers really captured that duality. On one side, there's the lure of easy gains, and on the other, there's a long overlooked moral and even dini perspective that's brushed aside in our chase for wealth.
Exactly. Now here's where I have to respectfully challenge one point. While it's true that many people are blinded by quick money, don't you think sometimes the blame might also fall on the lack of proper regulation rather than just our inherent desire for shortcuts?
That's a fair critique. I mean, the conversation did mention that decisive government action is necessary. It noted recommendations like strict laws on employment or penalties for idleness.
Right, I see what you mean. Exactly. It suggests that if the system enforced ethical discipline across the board, from parents and teachers to the media, we might avoid such cycles of exploitation and disappointment.
Yeah, and it's like every scheme seems to follow a pattern, show some gains for a few, lure many into the trap, and then most end up losing everything. It's that cyclical act of fayda dikao, tirshika karo.
And then there's the dini dimension, which is such a powerful reminder that when it comes to money, our ethical boundaries blur. It's as if we've forgotten the deeper values in the pursuit of worldly glimmer.
Right, and it's almost tragic. The podcast pointed out that when financial gain overshadows everything, even traditional moral checks, we all become complicit in our own downfall.
Yeah, got it. It really makes you think, are we driven by desperation or by an inherent craving for shortcuts that undermine our true potential?
Precisely. It's like we're so focused on quick fixes that we forget to build a solid foundation. And the worst part is, even those who are supposed to guide us sometimes get trapped in the same temptations.
True, that's a valid point. So, where do you think the solution lies? Is stricter regulation the answer, or do we need a broader change in mindset?
Well, it's definitely a mix. We need strict laws and enforcement, yes, but also a cultural shift, a reawakening of values, both ethical and spiritual, that underscores hard work over the lure of easy money.
Yeah, absolutely. That reawakening might be our only hope in turning this psychological epidemic around.
Right, and it's fascinating really how such discussions force us to look into the mirror, to question not just the schemes themselves, but what they reveal about us as a society.
Indeed, really eye-opening. Well, it's been a rich dialogue. It leaves us pondering our own roles in perpetuating these cycles.
Exactly. Thanks for this engaging dialogue and for the thoughtful challenge. It truly adds depth to the discussion.
Absolutely. Until next time, let's keep questioning and exploring where our collective reflection might lead us.